What's up, everybody? Today we have some interesting scenario here. I'll show you how you can fix this Breville. So we have two problems here. The first thing what we're gonna do, it's the easiest part. I'm gonna replace this filter and I'll show you why. So this is the old filter. I'm going to cut this zip tie right here. Be careful when you do that. You don't want to cut the actual hose. And then I'm just gonna pull it out. Okay, so this side, you'll see that when you're gonna replace it, you're gonna have, actually they are, I think it doesn't say, but I see that there's a big piece cup and smaller. So I put an error for myself here, so I will know. But the one with the smaller cup size, it should be to the left side. Okay, so I think it matters. I'm not quite sure, but I would recommend doing that for sure. Just follow the same exact pattern like here. And now I don't like this hose, so I brought my own hose and I will replace it with this one. I don't usually put zip ties here. You can if you like. I think there's enough tension. I never had it leaked on me, so I just keep it as is. But you can do whatever you want. You can use the zip ties if you want. You can do whatever you wish. I don't like doing that. I just put those two hoses back and it's nice tight fit, so I'm not even worried about it. Never had complaints, never. Okay, and now I'm going to replace the pump. This is my way to do it. You can possibly cut here, and there's like a little notch, like a clip. You press on it and then you push. I do it this way. You can do it your own way, whatever you like. It's for me, I think it works faster. So this is the new pump that I just ordered. I had to wait for this for some time. I'm not sure why it came a little later, but I'm gonna okay, so now what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna remove this bottom hose. When you do that, be careful not to break the hose, okay? So just go slow. And they put zip ties everywhere. Like I said, if you want, you can put the zip tie. I don't. I never had any leakages. I know I repeat myself, but you know, some guys they don't believe, so never had problems. You might have to do it by the book, but I never done it. It's actually saves some time too. So, but if you do it for yourself, I mean, it's not a bad idea. I never had problems. Like I said, never, no leaks, no nothing. I'm back now. I just installed the water pump. I connected the hose underneath, electrical connected. I replaced the water filter. Now I'm gonna assemble everything together. All what you have to do is pretty much, don't forget this, to put it in the hose, because if you don't and you assemble it, I had it happened with me. If you don't do that, then you're gonna have a big leak. When you put your water tank in, you're gonna have a big leak. You're not gonna like it. So this is how you do the repair. Make sure it's all aligned and this screw is inside, and also you have two screws underneath. If you guys have any questions, you can comment below. Thank you for watching. This is for Breville BES870XL. pump and filter replacement. Take care.